Hello guys, welcome to Physinverse with Pallavi. Have you ever wondered what if an advanced civilization would capture the entire energy of a star and turn it into a giant cosmic power plant? And this incredible idea is known as Dyson Sphere. This Dyson Sphere, proposed in 1960 by physicist Freeman Dyson. To understand the Dyson Sphere, we first need to realize how powerful a star really is. Our sun produces around 3.8 into 10 to the power 26 watts of energy every second. That is an unimaginable amount of power. But here is the surprising part. Almost all of this energy is lost into space. Only a tiny fraction of sunlight actually reaches Earth, and an even smaller fraction is captured by solar panels. So scientists started asking a fascinating question: what if a civilization would capture most of that energy directly from the star? That is where the idea of the Dyson Sphere comes in. So what is Dyson Sphere? A Dyson Sphere is a hypothetical megastructure built around a star to collect its energy. When people hear the name Dyson Sphere, they usually imagine a solid shell completely surrounding a star. However, scientists believe a solid shell would be extremely difficult and unstable to build. Instead, the most realistic idea is something called a Dyson swarm. A Dyson swarm would consist of millions or even billions of satellites orbiting around the star. Over a time, more and more satellites would be added until a large portion of the star's energy is captured, and this would allow a civilization to generate enormous amount of power. Now, here is something truly mind-blowing. If humanity ever tried to build a Dyson Sphere around the sun, we might need an entire planet's worth of material. So imagine breaking apart an entire planet just to build structures around the star. That shows how massive this project would be. The Dyson Sphere concept is closely connected to something called the Kardashev Scale. This scale measures how advanced a civilization is based on the amount of energy it can use. A Type 1 civilization can use all the energy available on its planet. A Type 2 civilization can harness the entire energy of a star. So currently, humanity is only around Type 0.7, meaning we are still far from reaching this level of technological advancement. So could we detect a Dyson Sphere? Okay, so let's discuss about this. So scientists have even wondered whether Dyson Spheres might already exist somewhere in the universe. If a star were surrounded by massive energy collecting structures, most of its visible light would be absorbed. So, at one point, some scientists even wondered if a giant alien structure could be blocking the star's light. So, however, later studies suggested that dust clouds are a more likely explanation. Still, the search for advanced civilization continues. Could humans build one? So, with our current technology, building a Dyson Sphere is far beyond our capabilities. It would require enormous resources, advanced robotics, and massive space engineering. But according to the laws of physics, it is not impossible. It may simply require a civilization far more advanced than ours. Shows us something incredible. The universe contains unimaginable amount of energy, and one day civilizations might learn how to harness it. Maybe far in the future, humanity will turn stars into cosmic power plants, and perhaps somewhere in the universe, someone has already done it. If you enjoyed this journey into the cosmos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get more space and science explorations. Thank you.